Di siya pilit when you try to swallow it. I mean, when you try to drink.
Di ko ka-feel. Lawan ni panglasa, girl. Char, joke lang.
Karong adlaw, mo try ka og 5 ka milktea gikan sa 5 ka local milktea shops in Cebu City.
Okay.
Human, kay imo siyang i-rank according to 3 categories. Namely, wow, kung ginamihan din ka sa milktea.
Wow, char. Wow.
Bat, kung okay ra ang taste.
That.
And meh, kung hindi mo bet ang milktea.
Meh.
Are you a fan of milktea?
Milk in general.
Dili ko sweet tooth.
Okay lang. Dili ko mo ingon nga fan, yun kaayo ko sa milk tea.
Moinom ko, but not like kanang super addicted to milk tea.
Luningning, pasok.
Sayang sa Bye.
Okay, so we have BTS, no, ang first. And then kita mo sa reg syrup. Kani, like for me, if na syrup ang iyahang pearls, it's really good pearls then.
Okay, from the looks of it, it looks like a milk tea. Just like a flavor, ano yun?
Regular.
Regular. Ganahan kong irregular. Okay, let's try it. Here we go.
Natilawan ako ang tea, natilawan akong gatas, and then sweet ang pearls. So perfect. It's just that akong comment lang, ani, is medyo dili kayo creamy ang gatas.
Milk tea siya. It's a drinkable type of milk tea. Mahugot na ko ni siya for sure.
It's in between bet and meh. Kimrag, wala na kay ko yung milk nga ma-taste. It's more on the tea na gyud. Like, may pagtimpla na ako chano.
It's okay lang. So. The sweetness is right. The pearl lang yun is chewable siya.
Okay, di na ako i-sugarcoat. Man, sorry, man. I don't know.
Bet. Yeah, bet. I go for bet.
Bet.
Malasahan ang tea, gatas, and then sakto ang katabi sa pearls. So it's a bet for me.
Hindi kaya lang packaging. Like, packaging nila, it's really cute.
Let's try. Kinumang ka ng pang-elementary ka ng Milo ba? Milo, chocolate nila.
Actually, lami ni. Ganahan ko ani. I love this.
So, ay lang milk tea. May siya pagka-mix. Like, the milk is there. The tea is also there. The pearls are also good.
It's really good. I like it.
Ano ka feel nga? Milk tea siya. Meron siya og coffee.
Okay tanan, like matilawan ang tea, matilawan ang gatas, matilawan ang katamis sa pearls.
This one, definitely, I'll rate this as ow.
Huh?
Ow! It's really good. Ow, wow, bang.
There's also a bet for me.
Whoa, as in. Lami ni. I like it.
It's a... Yeah, it's a wow. I like this.
Nah. Meh. Meh.
First room at siya kay Marag.
Nanapon siya yung circle. See? Branding yun na sa milk tea. Dila ninyo isuksok ang straw.
In fairness, nice lang packaging sad.
Question, nga nang ginabutangan gid og pearls tanan ng mga tea, milk tea. Would you guys know? Wala. Okay.
I-shake sa nato gidul. Dili sila kuan sa kuan do, pearl do, dugang kasi ng pearl. Pearl tea siguro ni girl. Pearl tea.
Pero ganyan ko siyang pearl.
I cannot explain the feeling anymore. Kanang, instead nga mainom ko sa milk tea no, ang pearl din ang musod.
Malingaw ko siyang pearls.
Anyway,
Baligaw ko siyang pearls. Mara siya.
Or siya gatas. I mean, more on... Wala ko ma-feel na tea. I don't know. It's not my cup of tea.
Timpla sa tea. It's not that good. I'm sorry.
The taste is okay na siya. I go for the taste, so it's good for me. But yung taon sad, uy. Guys, padak-aw sa taon yung pearl. Uy, kagamay kayong pearl. Ma-choke me.
Meh. It's a meh for me. Sorry.
That for me.
Joke lang, meh.
So far, it's meh. I mean, the overall milk tea presentation is a meh.
Ay, cute ni siya og packaging.
It's actually my first time to hear about this brand, so obviously I haven't tried it pa.
Oh, nasa siya yung branding on the cover. Kani siya kay nasa yung syrup na pearl, so it's tempting.
Tealicious. Kuya ako sunod mga nga, no? Asa ka na siya idea?
Atong imlod.
Tamis iyang pearl, and then, matilawan ako ang iyahang tea. So, muna siya ang milk tea for me.
I like the taste. Like, dili siya sweet kaayo, very concentrated, and we're saturated kayo siya na drink.
Winner! Mana. Guys, winner. By far, the best one I've tried. Like, although favorite ako si Shebrews, lamit nyo sila.
I can taste nga balance ang milk tea, ang milk ug ang tea nga flavors. And despite nga regular ang flavor, the right sweetness din siya.
It's really good. This is a whoa for me.
Yes, this is a woo for me.
I go for wow. Oh. Whoa.
Moni perfect for me. Whoa! Wow na siya.
So, among the milk tea that I tasted, I go for Tealicious because for me, it's the right amount of sweetness and the flavor really combines with milk and tea.
Ako ang pinaka-favorite jud kay katong Tealicious. Kay na-hit niya ako mga gusto jud sa usa ka milk tea like creamy, ang gatas, matilawan ang tea, and then sakto ra sa katamis ang pearls.
Okay, so my most favorite good is Tealicious. It's really, really good.
My most favorite by far kay katong sige ito Tealicious and the Shebrew.
Tumota siya. Mara to siya ako maingon. Pero ako pinaka-favorite kay Tealicious jud. So, sa kong sunod nga date, feeling ako Tealicious na ko mupalit, and then Shiba. Char love ito eh.